Good afternoon. My name is Alena Shautsova. I am an immigration attorney from Brooklyn, New York. Today's Legally Speaking seminar is dedicated to new executive order signed by President Trump on March 6, 2017. As you're probably aware, in the end of January of 2017, President Trump signed several immigration executive orders. One of them is being called a travel ban because it banned travel, it banned visitors from and permanent residents at the beginning from 7 designated countries. Today's order is an attempt to go around a federal judge's ban on implementation of January travel ban order. What happened today is that President Trump signed a new directive prohibiting nationals of 6 designated countries from coming into the United States for 90 days. Those countries are Sudan, Syria, Yemen, Libya, Somalia, and Iran. Iraq was not on the list of today's countries. The order also suspended refugees' travel for 120 days, just like the previous travel ban order did. It means that those refugees that were designated as refugees and those who were not scheduled to be in transit to the United States will not be able to come to the United States for at least 120 days, according to the new immigration order. It is very important to know that President Trump provided several exemptions from this order. For example, those who are permanent residents, who hold dual citizenship, those who already have valid visas to come to the United States, even though the people are nationals of the 6 designated countries, should be able to enter the United States. The order explicitly says that it covers or it applies only to those who do not hold valid visas on the day when the order goes into effect. The order also, unlike the previous order, contains a provision regarding a possible waiver of the ban to travel to the United States within the designated time. The waiver can be obtained either at a consulate or can be granted by a CBP officer at the United States border. Who is covered by the waiver, or who can ask for a waiver? The waiver can be granted according to the order to those individuals who can demonstrate that their inability to enter the United States will result in extreme hardship to them and will not be contrary to the national interest of the United States. Who can ask for the waiver? Well, the waiver can be granted on case-by-case basis, but those are the groups of people who may be eligible for the waiver. Those who previously were issued and spent long time in the United States on valid visas. Those who previously were able to demonstrate significant contact with the United States in terms of employment or different projects that they were working on. Those who have business or professional relationship in the United States and designated and are going to travel to fulfill those obligations. Children, adoptees, adopted children, those who are coming to the United States under the United States government-sponsored exchange programs. So those are the groups of people who, despite the ban, should still be able to come to the United States if they granted a waiver. I anticipate that this this order will be probably also litigated, even though the opportunity to dispute it is there is much smaller window to dispute this order than the previous order, because it does allow people with valid current visas to enter the United States, and green card holders, and people who have dual citizenship, and it allows for a waiver of the ban. But here is the situation. Those people whose visas were canceled pursuant to the first waiver are not mentioned as those who can apply for a waiver. It means that, and recently there was an explanation issued by Department of Homeland Security stating that those whose visas were previously canceled under the old order, those visas were canceled without prejudice, but it was a final cancellation. It means that the person cannot automatically reapply for a visa. It means that under the new ban, the person will still be banned to come to the United States if they don't have a valid visa. We hope that whatever goals are being declared in the executive order, we hope that they will be reached. But my advice for all those who will be affected by the order is that they need to try to apply for the waiver if they can qualify, if they have to travel to the United States, and all those who are outside, those who are inside of the United States on valid non-immigrant visas should probably refrain from traveling outside, because if their visa gets canceled or revoked for any reason, they will not be able to come back. Thank you, and as the time progresses and we have more information from Department of Homeland Security regarding the implementation of this order, I will make sure to post updates on my Facebook page and my website regarding the changes. Thank you.